Hello everyone, welcome to Theme Park Life. Today, well, over the course of the next few clips, I'm going to be like making stuff, making a few bits.
Why are you making stuff?
So the first thing I'm going to make is vegan, sort of vegan roll things. The new guy at work is vegan, and there's already a vegan. Another mate is vegan, so because I'm going to be making Millionaire shortbread for the non-vegans soon, I felt a bit bad, so I wanted to make something for the vegans. But it's not quite as selfless as it sounds actually, because it is a gimmick. I basically plan to use every single herb and spice that I own. Might need to just check them out. I mean, things like this will be vegan, might they? It says suitable for vegetarians. Dried sage, that obviously means vegans as well, doesn't it? Anyway, yeah, plan is to use basically everything in here. Okay, so I've just got all of the herbs and spices ready for the vegan sausage rolly things. I'm using like just under 30 different herbs and spices. So this is going to be in a video that's basically called, it's an experiment vegan sausage rolly thing on Food Review UK. So let's get going. Okay, the vegan-y sausage roll things are done. I've just put them in the oven. Yeah, the pastry, because the filling was so hot. Oh, can't show you that bit. Because the filling was so hot. Oh yeah, good. Basically can't get a good. Oh, there we go. Look, but then it gets cut off there. Yeah, because the filling was so hot, the pastry did get very hot and sort of a bit melty, like a bit like hot and melty. But we'll see. I'm now going to clean up because it has caused, you know, some requirements for washing up type things. So I'm going to do that now. Okay guys, welcome back to the cooking-y vlog. I mean, for you it's been a few seconds since the last scene, for me it hasn't, so that's why I'm being a bit odd I suppose. What's next up though? Well, apple bands. Yeah, I'm going to do an apple pie I think. I've got this short crust pastry. I think I basically need to blind bake it actually. So I'm going to try doing that now. I've never properly baked anything really. Okay, the pastry's in there, and I'm left a little bit for the lid. I think now I need to like cut off a bit of this outsidey bit, and then fork it. Yeah, so I've got like 6 different kinds of apple here. That's Gold Rush. I think that's Cameo. That's Jazz. I think that's Zari, or that's Zari, one or the other. Not sure what that one is. Okay, the apples are chopped up and I've put them in there with a bit of sugar and now some pecans as well. Do I know what I'm doing? I don't really know what I'm doing, to be honest. I don't know. Okay, so the pie crust is blind baked. I need to somehow get this rice out. Is that rice hot? Yeah, kind of. Yeah, I need to get that out now somehow. Okay, so the apple's done. I've taken it off the heat now. Took the rice out and the pastry definitely wasn't like cooked on the, like it wasn't solid on the inside bit, so I put it back in with some foil around the bit that's browned and hopefully brown up the middle bit a bit more. I don't know, man. Pies are hard, man. So now that the rice is off, the top's all risen, innit? It's risen up. So yeah, it's boiling hot as well. This is fucked up basically. Cool. Right, fuck it. I'm just going to persevere. I've let it cool down for a little bit. Put a little bit of apple mix. Now I've got some fudge. Doing it with one hand. Just going to crumble some fudge in, right? Then put a bit more apple in. Bit more fudge. Not enough filling, is there? Basically, there's lots of problems with this pie. Right, I'm now going to try putting the lid on. There we go, lid bants. I don't know if I need to put sugar on top. I wonder if anyone's ever been less successful in pie making history. Sort of can't imagine that they ever have been. Right, I know I need to cut a hole in the top, right? For like steam vibes. Should I try and make some decorative leaf things? Right, so I put an apple on it to prove that it's an apple pie. Do I need to put egg on it? I don't even know if I need to put egg on it now. The rest of it seemed to do okay without egg, so I put some, I don't know, put sugar and egg on, I don't know, I'm just going to leave it as it is. Okay, I'm going to check on it. It smells good. It doesn't matter anyway, because it is definitely not going to have worked. It's definitely going to be a disaster, whatever happens, so... Yeah, I mean, it looks alright, but it'll be bad, so... Okay, well, I've got it out of the oven, and I guess it looks... fine. Oh, I don't know, whatever. Oh, yeah. Here we go again, right, don't know if it's cool enough to get out now, but I sort of want it like, I want, you always hear about the warm apple pie, I want the slice of warm apple pie, right, so, how do I get this out? How the hell do how do I get this out? It's definitely going to break if I tip it upside down, right, so, right, bad idea number one. Here we go. Oh god, it's so fragile. That's literally the most fragile thing I've ever... Oh god. It's out. I just don't know how to... Oh, that was a bad idea. This is awful, actually, yeah, good. Sort of love how bad this is. Almost wrap this around it. Just trying to figure out how awful and stupid this all is. Right, this is the most stupid thing I've ever experienced in my life, probably. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Okay. Roughly intact, right? Ooh, okay. Fucking hell. I've got it out somehow. I don't know if I needed to put... Like, because that's short crust pastry. I don't know how... Pastry. I don't know if I needed to put, like, sugar on it. Because it's a bit savoury, innit? But I did know this was the case, right. I'm going to try and cut into it. Seems like there's a pretty obvious place to go, isn't there? Good, that's all come off. Love that. Love how that's happened. That's awesome. Seems alright. Smells alright. Let's get some ice cream on this beach. Oh, I mean, I guess it looks pretty good, right? Let's give it a go. Oh my god. Wow. Oh. Oh, the pecans in that make it absolutely delicious. Wow. Oh. That is really, really nice. The pecans make that absolutely amazing. Wow, I would do that again. I somehow just gambled my way through that. Oh, that's really good. Okay guys, it's time for the third and final bake of this baking-y vloggy thing. And it's my birthday this week, so I'm sort of, as a celebration, I'm making Millionaire shortbread. Some of which I'm planning to take into work, most of which really. I probably want to cut them into quite small pieces for work though. I'll see how it goes. Never made it before. I'm going to put some oil in there first actually so that this sticks down. The battery on our scales has run out, so I do recommend these measuring glasses. If your scales do ever run out of battery or break or whatever, then you're never left in the lurch. Sugar and flour in there. Now I've got to get some butts. Rub that in, boy. Gotta rub that butter in, you know. Gotta get our butter rubbed right in there, boy. Gotta get that butter up in there. How am I going to turn the camera off? Try and do it with my mouth. Oh, no, can't really do it with my mouth. Cool. Okay. Good. Guess I'm just recording this bit. Time lapse. Right, this is taking too long, so I do actually need to turn the camera off, so I'm going to have to wash my hands. Or what? No, I can wash just a thumb. I just washed a thumb and a finger, so I can turn you off. Okay, I will say the base does seem quite dry, and there's obviously some wetter bitches with the patches, but let's see. Try and poke it with a fork. Oh, brilliant. So poking it with a fork is basically destroying it. Yeah, I just think this is clearly not going to work straight away, basically. Yeah, shall I take it all out? And this is not working. Concerned about this. Very concerned. Is it likely to bake and be very crumbly? Is it likely to work? Or maybe it needs to be refrigerated before I fork it. Because it needs to be refrigerated as well. I'm going to refrigerate it first and then I'm going to fork it. We'll see what happens. This looks like a disaster. Anyway, right, I put it in. It's definitely too dry and 100% certainly not going to work. I guarantee it. So, seeing as this is definitely not going to work anyway, I've decided to go 100% rogue. I'm going to put the tiniest amounts of cinnamon, coffee, Biscoff and maple syrup in the caramel itself. And I mean, the faintest hints, right? The faintest, the faintest hints, right? Because I basically want this to tell this. It's not going to work anyway. I'm like speaking as if it's going to work. 100% the biscuit's going to fail. But if it did work, I want it to taste like it's been in an American coffee shop, so that those just hints of other flavours just permeate through, and you can't even taste them and put your finger on them. But just in the back of your mind, you're like, this tastes like an American coffee store. We'll see if it works. It's definitely not going to, but yeah. Okay, so the caramel ingredients are now all together in here. Waiting for the biscuity base to do whatever it does in the oven. Probably not cook. Yeah, and then this is going to be our thick layer of caramel on top. Once it's heated up, of course. Ugh, God, we'll see if this works, I don't know. Okay, here we go, guys. I'm in the stage where I need to constantly stir it at the moment. Getting thicker, but I want a bit more colour on there. Alright, is that getting a bit darker, guys? You're probably a better judge than me. Because for you only saw it a few seconds ago, whereas I saw it ages ago, whatever colour it was. Right, I think that's where we want to be. What's what?
Buttery biscuit things.
Yeah. Oh my god, that nearly gets stuck on the bottom almost immediately. Claire's cleaning her shoes. And I'm tempering chocolate. Okay, let's see if this works. Alright, let's see how this goes. Basically got no idea. It's coming out, so you better get this party started. Come on! See, that worked nicely, the old oil it trick. Well, it does smell amazing, to be fair. Seems to be cooked. Now, I don't know whether to do serrated or non-serrated. I'm going to start with serrated first. Right, here we go. Oh, oh God. No, I might try non-serrated. Good. Sort of going to be impossible to cut, which I love. Oh, good. Literally cracking. Okay, how about I try and cut down like that? Oh yeah, that's okay. Oh. Oh, fuck me, it's actually sort of... I think it's worked. Right, let's keep trying doing that then. Okay, it is definitely working. And it does smell really good. My wife is lurking.
I want a bit. I want a bit.
I've pretty much just stabbed myself with Millionaire Shortbread. It actually hurts quite a lot. Why is it all of my kitchen injuries are just me stabbing myself with various kinds of food? I'm actually going to try one. Although I don't know if I want it straight from the fridge, but wow, battery's running out. Here we go. Good as fuck. So guys, I'm actually very happy with how the Millionaire Shortbread turned out, considering at many stages of that thought it was going to be disastrous. Yeah, that hint of cinnamon runs through and it does give the flavour that I wanted. Just a hint, almost like it's been kissed with the flavour.
Oh my God.
Choking. But yeah, really good. Would make them again. Quite a long process because there's a lot of like different elements and you kind of have to wait. You kind of have to wait for some bits to chill down, chill out, whilst do others and move on and various so forth. But so maybe it's a special occasion bake. But there we go. That was a find of these 3 little baking bits. Hope you enjoyed this weirdy sort of bacon-y vlog. See you next time. Cheers. Let's get some ice cream on this beach. Let's get some ice cream on this beach. Let's get some ice cream on this beach.